What's up, YouTube? Just doing a quick video to show you how you can locate Comet Neowise C/2020 F3 for July 17th, 2020. I'm using a website called Stellarium Web.org, and I'll put a link in the description. They also have a mobile app. Right now I'm using the desktop version. So anyway, you can load this up, and right now it's showing the current time, and I just picked a random location in Nebraska, I believe, just for demonstration purposes. So right now, Comet Neowise is way up here, next to the sun, actually. But as the time progresses, you will see the comet will go down towards the horizon. So here's what it'll look like later tonight. So you can see it moving. Actually, I'll move over here because you're gonna want to look for it. Let's see, I believe northwest area of the horizon. So you can see it sinking, sun going down. So, when you look for the sun, when you see the sunset, that's one way to keep an eye on it. You'll see Venus, Moon, Mercury, the sun go down. And then, after sunset, comet should be pretty much exactly northwest. Let's see if it has any kind of, I don't know if it gives any other information on it or not. But anyway, and then let's see, after the sun sets, you should be able to see it for, let me take a look here. I'm not sure if this time is accurate because it's saying 10 o'clock. I don't know, that doesn't sound accurate. But you can still see basically after sunset, it's going to be probably visible for a couple hours maybe. Unless, you have a really good view of the horizon with no obstructions, you might be able to, it kind of looks like it goes, you might even be able to see it in the morning too. So it kind of goes, doesn't really seem like it goes below the horizon there. So anyway, that's how you can find it tonight. Just look in the northwest area of the horizon, around the area of where the sun sets. Just look, keep an eye on it. And that's about it. Good luck with your comet spotting tonight. And if you have any comments or suggestions on spotting this comet, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.